Hello, Davers. Yesterday and today I've been working on the design for the network itself. We're building the network pretty much from scratch, and I'm working on the flow of the API right now. It's going to be probably PR'd to the team either today or tomorrow. Also, we're starting to review the tasks that the team does. So every task that each of you does is going to be reviewed. So let's hear what the team has today.
I'm working on the Kafka communication with distributed nodes, and today I'm gonna fix a small issue with the communication, and then we will install it on the cloud and see how it performs with the distributed nodes all over the world.
Hi guys, yesterday I created the bead and SDK interfaces. Also I built the test skeleton of the bead object. And today I'm going to create the identity interface and also start to think how should I implement the bead and need objects and how much time it's gonna take to me. That's all.
So yesterday I worked for the interfaces. I created interfaces for message class and need class, and today I will continue to work on the interfaces, and hopefully we will start to implement.
Hey there, Davers. So today I'm working with Lior on our ride-sharing product, as well as we have a call with our partners in Australia. I'm also setting up meetings for the rest of the week. I'll be flying to San Francisco, where I'll be meeting with a number of automotives, with our friends from Cal Maritime and a few others. So see you tomorrow.
So basically what he said, and continuing with general research that I've been doing in the past few days. This is it.
Hey everybody, Joe Laparta here. Last week and also today as well a little bit, main focus has been on all of the things from a regulatory standpoint, making sure that we're speaking to the right contributors, getting everything in line there, and making sure everything's happening from a communication standpoint. Also, the main focus today has been lining up our CTO Tal, who's visiting San Francisco this week with some meetings. So we have a few great meetings with some big players here in the Bay Area, so looking forward to seeing him as well. Those are the main highlights. Thanks everybody. Have a great day.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to begin the process of reaching out individually to those contributors from whom we need a few additional steps for regulatory compliance. I expect that this process will take me all day, so I will see you tomorrow.
Hey guys, what's up? So today I started the day with filming the developers for the DailyDAV, and then I edited the DailyDAV. After that, I designed a thumbnail for our new upcoming format, which you'll hear more about that soon. And I also know you've been hearing a lot about this new DailyDAV lately, and we were supposed to launch it this week, but for now we are putting that on hold, and we'll tell you more about that soon. And that's it. For the rest of the day, I'm gonna continue working on EcoMotion and Connect event. See you next time.
Hi guys. Today is closely day in Ukraine, and I'll start my bright and creativity. Today I'll continue work about our beautiful presentation for our partners. I'll make a few fixes in this presentation and add a little bit design magic. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.